Welcome to the launch of Project Innerspace's GeoMap Europe, the most complete geothermal dataset ever released for the region. These new layers bring together surface and subsurface data to help industry, researchers and planners unlock Europe's hidden heat, power, cooling and storage. Europe's geothermal story spans from Roman bathhouses to the world's first geothermal power plant in Italy. From Iceland's nationwide geothermal systems to thriving networks in France and the Netherlands, Europe has turned centuries of experience into a cornerstone of its clean energy future. GeoMap Europe pinpoints where geothermal can scale next. GeoMap Europe integrates continental-scale thermal models with local well data to map temperature, heat flow, and energy in place down to 8 kilometers. It's a new foundation for geothermal exploration, heating, cooling, and storage. From Iceland's significant geothermal power to Italy's century-old plants, Turkey's western grabens, and emerging systems in Greece, Hungary, and France, geothermal energy is driving Europe's clean heat and power future. Across Europe, vast aquifers exceed 60 degrees Celsius at accessible depths, perfect for heating cities. Places like Paris, Munich, Budapest, and Milan already use this resource, while Spain, Eastern Europe, and the Balkans hold huge additional potential. Increased geothermal heating means less reliance on imported fuels. GeoMap Europe identifies both existing cities with district heating networks that can be converted to geothermal and cities that have enough geothermal potential to develop new clean district heating networks. Europe has significant potential for geothermal-powered data centers, reducing emissions, costs, and reliance on the grid. Iceland already demonstrates this synergy, with data centers powered almost entirely by geothermal. Regions like northern Italy, western Turkey, and the Pannonian Basin now stand out as prime candidates to follow that example, co-locating geothermal power with digital infrastructure for sustainable, low-carbon operations. Many of Europe's data centers sit above warm sedimentary aquifers, offering natural cooling and heat recovery opportunities. From Germany's Upper Rhine Graben to France's Paris Basin, the North Permian Basin across the Netherlands, northern Germany and Poland, and Hungary's Pannonian Basin, geothermal could make Europe's digital network cleaner and more efficient. By coupling wind and solar generation with subsurface energy storage, Europe can store excess power underground, transforming variability into stability and keeping the grid resilient year-round. In northern Germany, Denmark, and the Netherlands, these deep formations could store energy from powerful offshore winds. Further south, in France, Spain, and across the Pannonian Basin, abundant solar resources coincide with thick sedimentary layers ideal for storing heat. Europe's potential for geothermal power and heating spans the continent and offers a clean solution that can lower bills and reduce dependence on energy imports. Explore the data, collaborate, and help unlock the next generation of clean, continuous energy with GeoMap Europe.